What's up, guys? Okay, y'all, today I'm going to do a quick, hopefully easy DIY using this ceramic popcorn holder and these cute little artificial flowers I got at Walmart. They ranged in price based on which Walmart I went to. So like this one little bunch either cost me from, I think, 62 cents up to, I want to say 90 cents. I'm not sure. So every Walmart that I hit up, I would just get all that they had. So good luck of finding them, but I thought they was cute and the closest thing to popcorn. That's what was my angle. And then, of course, a glue gun. And I'm only using a glue gun, y'all, because I cannot find the little foam pieces for floral arrangements or what have you to stick it in. So I want to try to glue mine in. We don't know if it's going to work. This is trial and error. So let's get popping. I get it? Popping. Oh, it wasn't funny. All right. Okay, guys. So I got my glue gun. Oh my God. And I'm just going to, like, first I'm going to try this Jones out. Because we don't, you see that? We're going to put some glue in this mug. All willy-nilly. Try to, yeah. So then I'll take this. And we're just going to try to stick it. Yeah, why I be trying to make stuff up? Y'all know that ain't gonna work. Let me see, put that right there. Put another one right here. Is it even working, Jesus? Do I even need it though, Jesus? Well, y'all get the gist of what the heck I'm trying to do. So let me work with this and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, I didn't know why the glue would be needed, but being that this is ceramic, it kept slipping. So adding just like a little drop of glue, putting your stem in, it creates your outer layer of flowers without it keep sliding, and give that fullness that I want. So we pray that stay, but at least it's going to hold until I get the other flowers in. Come on through, glue. So I'm going to just add the rest of my flowers around the base of this container. And then I'll be back with the finished product. I love it so far, guys. And there you have it, guys. The finished product. Y'all already know what I'm going to say. I say it always on my DIY videos, but I love it. I say it on all my videos. Y'all, I just did like the surrounding the base like I showed you guys, and then I just stuck the rest of them in the middle. So it allow it to form more of the structure that I wanted, since I didn't have that round disc foam thing. But y'all, it did what it did. Okay, I might add a couple more flowers in there, but for the most part, I love it. And if y'all interested in these particular flowers, like I said, I got them at Walmart. And this is the name of them, Buttercup Rose. And they vary in prices. So, I think I didn't even count, y'all. I think about 8, maybe 20. I don't know. I'm gonna say like 20 bunches are in this one. But this container is quite large, guys. So, yes. Come on through, popcorn. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If y'all like this video, go ahead and hook me up with a thumbs up. See you guys next video. Deuces.